now the women can work and they can earn more, and now the men can also work. Though they do not have any other work apart from agriculture work, but it has really done a lot of good thing to their lives, because they are earning so they can spend on their own, and they can manage their expenses in their homes. So this is the story of two group of artisans. There's a whole lot of things to be done in India, because the artisans and the farmers are not getting a due of their hard work which they're putting in. Like the story of Michaberry Tea Estate in Kolkata is a great example. It is in Darjeeling, and they have adopted the organic farming. So the organic farming, though in India, there are not that many farms which are under the organic organic agriculture. But with slowly and steadily, the people are coming to know about organic farming and agriculture, and the ethical trade, the organic fair trade products, and all these things. So the thing is this, a lot has been done, and a lot need to be done. So along with the time, as many groups are coming up, and they are giving a lot of knowledge to people regarding how the fair trade thing works in India, how the fair trade thing works, and how does it works in India. Though the market for fair trade is negligible in India,